Hey, it's Regimus Maximus, and I'm back. Today we are checking out the Jinbao Devastator. This is set B. Get ready. This is going to be huge.
Regimus Maximus reviews.
Alright, I am back. As I said, this is Jinbao Devastator. This is set B, as they're calling it. On the box it says D-Formation 3, Builder D, Formation 6-1. So whatever that means. But hey, let's take a look at the box. Alright, as you can see, we got a real good picture of Scrapper, maybe. It's like bone crusher, actually. And you have, I think it might be, yeah, I think that's Scrapper right there. Oops. And we have the side of the box. Picture Devastator. I don't know why. I'll even show you the back of the box first. But there's the back of the box. So it's Scrapper and Mixmaster. Those are the ones we have. I get confused sometimes. So much. Either or. Let's get to opening the box. Alright, we have them out the box. We got them posed up and they're looking pretty good. These figures have a decent size to them. And that's what I like. I mean, they got a decent little heft to them. I mean, these are just an oversized KO of the Generations Devastator. I think that's what it's called. Either or. They look awesome. Now, this is a KO of the Gravity Builder. I mean, but Jinbao has done an amazing job, as I always think they do. I mean, I think Jinbao, I love what Jinbao does. I ain't gonna lie to you about it. They make some great figures. I mean, they may knock some off, but still, they still make some great figures. And that's what I like. Let's take a look at them. I mean, just the feel of these guys. I mean, they're real sturdy. Check out some articulation real quick. I get his leg to move. Yeah. His leg moves. Also got this little upper movement, kind of messes with you a little bit. Ankle, great ankle rotation, and same thing. Arms. I mean, they got like a real smooth turn. I mean, it's real smooth. I mean, I like that. The hands can't open, so thumbs can't move. Still, the head, ball joint. So let's check out Scrapper. Got like this little part back here, kind of stops it from going all the way back. Well, there we go. where it goes, it kind of the hinge back here, it kind of messes with you when you're trying to get him to do right as far as moving his legs. The ankles, they're on a ball joint. It's not bad. The waist does move. And the hands open up. The arms can come up, move side to side, up and down. So the head, not bad. I like it. Like I said, I mean, it's a real solid figure. One of the only things is the knees. So the whole knee situation is kind of weird, I guess. All right. As far as size comparison, I done brought out the MP Hot Rod, and you got the Wei Zhang Skull Cruncher, and you got the Jinbao Feral King Dive Bomb in the back, and you can see how everything is scale wise. You got the NE01 Megatron in the back, and you got, what is it, Regimus Unicronus. So you can see about how they all scale. Now he scales against them. So this is their size. Got Prime in the back. So that's what you got. I will say they are a little bit above. We'll say they are above MP size. So they are above Masterpiece size. Now, so far, these are the 4 that all have been released. And here we are with the rest of the Jinbao Devastator. These are the parts we have so far. And I can't wait to get the rest. But they are all looking pretty good. I like them. These were made from the Gravity Builder set. So that's where Jinbao got these, and they just upgraded them and made them oversized, and they look pretty good. They're looking good. I probably can't say it enough. They are great. So height-wise, scale-wise, they're pretty much on par with each other. I mean, of course they would be. So I just figured I'd go ahead and put them all together. That way you can see what they look like as of this point. The other set comes out sometime this month, so I'm at this point. I'm doing this. This is September 1st, so the rest are supposed to be released in September. So maybe mid-September or towards the end of September we'll be completing this set, and I can't wait for it. I can't wait to see how tall it is, really. So I think it's gonna kick ass, pretty much. They all pose rather well. They look good together. All right, let's get to transforming them. Let's go ahead and take the gun out of his hand. What we're going to do is put his hands up in here. They just go in there real easy. You're going to take this piece and fold it on there. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take his head. Go ahead and push his head on down. Then we're going to take his arms. We're going to get these in position. We're going to take these wheels and we're going to bring them forward. these and lock them into place. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take his arms and we're going to bring them up. But you want to make sure that his arms are, make sure these right here are pulled around and these are pulled up like that. So alright, I'm going to take these, open this up like so. So we're going to take his feet and we're going to bring these out like that. Oops. We're going to turn it around. And this part right here is going to come loose. Like that. Just going to bring that up. And bring this down. Same thing with this leg. You can go ahead and peg these together. So now we're going to take these back. We're going to rotate this up this way a little bit. Bring these up. Alright, on the back part, this right here is going to come down like that. Make sure it's out of the way. But that part is going to come down, peg it in together. And after you do that, you're going to roll this around like so. And you got this part right here, so it's going to peg into this. You got to get in the right position now. Yeah, there we go. I didn't have it down far enough. There we go. Alrighty. Take his feet. You're going to bring them down. You're going to bring them right under here. This is just going to come down right into here. Alright. Alright. So we're going to take this and raise this up. And this, you're going to turn this around. This right here tabs in this peg right here. So tap it in that little hole right there. It's going to come around. Like so. Like I said, this comes around. This comes down. Fix that real good. Alright. Go ahead and bring this down. Let me do the other side. One thing I did forget to mention, whenever you're going to bring this up and everything, when you bring this up, this right here taps in this little hole right there, and there's like a little peg right here. It taps into right there, so you do that. Things nice and tight. Ladder up, ladder down. Bring this down right into here, and you bring this part down. And there you go. And so there you have Scrapper, aka Scrapper. Take a look at him. So he's not a bad looking figure. I'll fix that. It's really nice looking. Oops. There we go. You can roll. No, well, I ain't rolling, but hey, you can roll. This does come up, so that's all nice and cool. So it's not bad. I like it. So there we have Scrapper. We're going to just roll him out the way. Next, get a better shot of him. Next, we have Mixer Truck. Said, I mean, he's a good looking figure. I like him. They get a lot of good detail within him. That's what I like about these figures. Said I'm a stickler for details, so hey, beyond all that, let's get to transforming him. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to bring it back like that. Then you got to reach in here and get these out. Yeah, you might need fingernails. Let me see if I can get something to get this up. All right, so you lift these up like that. Then the next thing you want to do, well, let's take his gun out. Take his gun out. And we're going to take his arms, and we're going to turn them around like that. Then the next thing we're going to do is lift everything up like so. And we're just going to do that. So that's where you're going to be at. Next thing you're going to do is take this, you're going to turn it around. It's going to peg into this little part right here. So go ahead and there's a little, bring it up, then bring it down. Then it just pegs right in. Just like that. Alright. These parts right here, what you want to do is you want to open these up. So come up like that. You're just going to fold these in like that. Alright, and so what you want to do with these is take this, just fold these in just like that. So make sure you do that. Alright, and so the next thing you're going to do is try to get these to come in a little bit. So there's a little hinge right here. You got to make sure this one bends, not this one. So let's see. Just like that. Alrighty. So let's get it in there. Seems like I'm in a big mess. Take this in. Alright, you want to take these and you want to bring these down onto these pegs. So you just want to make sure they peg on there. This one is being kind of stubborn. There we go. Got it. be just like that. So there we go. We're going to make sure that these come down. And we got to peg this together and bring this down. Alright. So getting that. Pegged in here. You got to make sure these little things stay in place too, because they all slide out real quick. Just like that. Okay. Take these and bring them down. After everything's tabbed in front, what you want to do is take this part right here, bring it to the back, and close this, and tab it in, like so. Alright, and the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take these pieces and you're going to bring these up. You're going to tab them in. So tab into right here, like so. Now after you get everything all pegged in, you want to take his gun, wrong gun, take his gun, you're just going to put it in right here. Oops. Take the gun, you put it in right here, and that's how that fits. Just like that. You got all the pegs pegged in right. It's one of the big things with this. Alright. And here you go. So, and here you go. Now you can open this up. To reveal the cannon if you want to. So there's that option for you. Scrapper's gun also mounts into here. They pretty much peg into the sides of these two pieces. So that's all you gotta do with that. On a side note, I guess they gave me 2 left pieces for my wheel covers or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, they're pretty much the same piece. So this don't really tab in on right here. So maybe I can contact them about that. I don't know. But either or, that's what I got. But here they are. But here they are in their glory. And they look pretty great. And they look fantastic. Both of these guys roll fairly decent. Take a look at them from the side. They both look real good. Great looking figures. Here they are with the rest of their Constructicon brethren. I mean, all of them look pretty daggone good. I mean, I think so far it's an impressive looking set. And I really can't wait for the other two to come out. Set C of these figures should be out sometime in September. This is September 1st, so hopefully it'll be out towards the middle or end of the month. We'll see. You never know. It could be October. But either or. When they arrive, I'll show you how to transform them into their limbs, and I'll also do a separate review with them. So that way you will have everything you need to know to transform them into their Devastator mode. Here they are up against MP10 and the Weijing Chrome Dome, and also the Titan's Return Chrome Dome. So you can see the size difference. So all in all, it's looking to be a kick-ass set. And I can't wait for the rest of them to come out. In the next 3 weeks, we are going to be having our new round of giveaways. First of which would be one of these metals die-cast transformers. You have Bumblebee and you have Crosshairs. These are basically Hot Wheels style cars, so they don't transform. But hey, we're going to give one away. We're going to give one away. All you got to do is subscribe and comment. That's all we want. So that's what we're trying to do. Build our page. Well, hey, this is Regimus Maximus. Thanks for joining me again, and I am out.